Hey John, can you tell me about being a lawful enabler?
Yeah, so we believe that lawyers should be measured on what they enable, not what they prevent. And we'd like to think that we're lawful enablers, and we try to empower and encourage other people to also be lawful enablers. So lawyers too often have been called the prevention of sales department. They're the ones who stop transactions from happening, stop the business from being done. And unfortunately, sometimes in contract negotiations, the parties are already on good terms at the beginning, but by the time the contract's signed and the lawyers have been back and forth and negotiated it, the parties are no longer actually on very good terms. It's also, we've often found that lawyers often say no. They see the risks and not the opportunities. They see the obstacles. And so the sorts of things that they say are, no, you can't process personal data to do that. No, you can't sign the document with an electronic signature. No, you can't give access to that information to a particular person. No, don't move to cloud computing. The risks are just too great. So we rather say yes. Say, yes, this is how we can do it in a lawful way, how we can do it in accordance with the law. The rule of law is really a very important thing. It's such a foundational concept that's part of law and order. It's part of ensuring that we have an equal society where human rights are respected. Also, it's part of democratic governments. And so it's an absolutely foundational concept, and the opposite is chaos. And so really everyone should be a champion of the rule of law. And that's why we are lawful enablers, and why we try to empower other people to be lawful enablers as well. And we do that by helping them to learn, by giving them legal know-how through our programs, through helping them to choose and find the right software and then configure and implement and use it to achieve lawful outcomes. And finally, it's also, we provide services to those people to help them be lawful enablers. So the key message is, be a lawful enabler.